Hi, this is Topper Chef. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make Sona Masoori rice with quinoa. Okay, so for this rice, what we're gonna do is, first of all, a pan is nice and hot. Always have a hot pan, and as usual, our oil, which goes in first for the pilaf rice. And then to this, I'm gonna add, just a minute, get it hot, some onions. Now the reason I kept these onions a little big, because I want to crunch them while I'm eating. So the quinoa basically tastes very bland, and that is why I want to give it some flavor while I'm eating my rice. Okay, to this we're going to add our cumin seeds and garlic, and to give it some zing, we have some chopped peppers to it. I'll let this saute for probably, because this is going to cook along with the rice, right? So you don't want to cook it too much. Just a little bit so it blends in with this and gives the oil the flavor. And don't cook it, because we're going to cook it with the rice is going to steam for at least 20 minutes. So now I'm going to add my water. The regular way of making the pilaf rice. So we have 3 cups, 2 cups of rice, 3 cups of water, and let this come to a simmer. As usual, let me not forget my salt in this, and I'm going to cover it and let it simmer. Okay, so now my water is boiling, and you can see the onions and everything simmering in this. Now, to add my salt, stir this real good. Okay, now I'm going to add my rice and quinoa. And this rice has been washed really well. And this is how quinoa looks. It's called the Mayan healthy food. So this is what goes into it. So I'm going to have healthy rice, and just like a pilaf thing, just stir this really well till the water runs dry, and that's when we're going to cover it really. Now this is on high heat. I just kill all the starch and everything. Look at this, all this flavor of this onion. Now, if some places they can put a soup base also in this, and it will give like a soupy kind of consistency to the rice. Or you can put some tomatoes or something like that. It will give your reddish flavor to it. But I like it simple like that. Okay, so now you can see our usual rice recipe. In all my videos, always dry up the water, and a lot of people ask me, why do you always cook it like that? I like it this way because it has been consistent, and I show my love to my rice without breaking it. So I have never cooked in a pressure cooker or whatever, so this is my way of cooking rice. And when I open up that rice after it has steamed well, I love the flavor, the aroma which goes into the rice. Okay, so now this water is dried up. Now you gotta reduce the heat all the way to low, and this is where you have to cover it up real good for 20 minutes. Cover it up on low, real low heat. Okay, so like every pilaf rice recipe, 20 minutes off Then 20 minutes let it cook in the steam. And so after 20 minutes, I'm opening up this thing. You can see. Oh my God, it looks really heavenly. It's real simple. And to this, what I'm gonna do is open up this rice here. Look at this. That's how you want it. Because of the quinoa, it looks kind of gooey, but it'll be very tasty. And to this, I add some green onions, which are chopped, and of course that will cook and get crunchy in the steam. And that's what you gotta do. This is a healthy rice. This is for all the Costco fans who love Sona basmati rice, and also to every vegan who wants to eat rice with quinoa, which is a very healthy concept of making rice. Okay, now you saw this recipe with the Sona Masoori rice with quinoa, and I'm gonna taste it. Oh my God, it's really good. The onion and cumin flavor comes really well. If you like this recipe, just give us a big thumbs up and like us on Pinterest, join us on Facebook, and also subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel on YouTube. Happy cooking!